equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of repairing the electronic board of the Conga 1090. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components. Start by unplugging the device and removing the screws from the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a small container to prevent them from getting lost. Once the back panel is off, you'll see the electronic board. Take a moment to inspect it for any visible damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. Next, we'll need to clean the board. Dampen a cloth with isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe the surface of the board. This will remove any dust or debris that could interfere with the connections. If you find any corrosion on the connectors, use a soft brush to clean it off carefully. Now, let's check the components using the multimeter. Set your multimeter to the continuity setting and test the various connections on the board. If you find any faulty components, you may need to replace them. Remember, if you reckon this is too hard, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help without any pressure. Once you've identified the faulty components, it's time to replace them. Carefully desolder the damaged parts using your soldering iron. Make sure to heat the solder joint until it melts, then gently pull the component out. Insert the new component and solder it in place, ensuring a solid connection. After replacing the components, it's crucial to reassemble the device properly. Start by placing the back panel back on and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned correctly to avoid any issues when powering it on. Before we finish, let's do a final check. Plug the device back in and power it on. Observe if it operates as expected. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service. Finally, if you need a quote before repair, we can provide that as well. This way, you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of costs. Thank you for following along with this repair tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.